Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Deck it quick. While the average man looking at this act like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like, yeah, 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, roll with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them gain, make profits. While I'm still in my same making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits.
That TTG money gang,
making profits.
We some snipers.
Hey yo, what's up everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Hope you digested all that damn food, but are ready to get down to business here this week. My name is Michael Edward Parnati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. In case you guys did not know, True Trading Group is a 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. We are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online trading educational platform that combines university and professional level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching on stocks, options, crypto. We also have a futures program available for those futures traders out there. We do day trading. We do swing trading. We also cover long-term investing. There's literally something for everybody inside of True Trading Group. But we take that university level of curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools. Tools that give you more information, help you make better decisions, but tools that are also very expensive if you were to pay for them on your own. We're talking around $5,000, $6,000 a year worth of tools like Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data, insider trading, a simulator to let you trade with fake money but real-time data to practice, TradingView's premium charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, and so much more. Yes, of course you get all of our courses. Yes, of course you get all of our trade alerts, but you also get all these tools when you guys join TTG. See, we set you up with everything that you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access, obviously, to our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you were ever going to find, not to mention all the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself. There's 9 professional traders with you during the day calling out trades that have been able to maintain cumulatively as a group on all of our executions, a win rate of just around 80% now going on roughly the last 4 years. In case you guys are wondering why you should listen to anything it is that I have to say, it's because I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was trained by professionals on Wall Street. My very first job right out of college was working for T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, where they first made me go through an educational training program before they ever let me touch $1 of the firm's money. Then you fast forward 2008. That was the Great Recession. That was the stock market crash. But it was also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. Along with my team of, like I said, 9 other professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries. We truly are a global community here at True Trading Group. So if you're ready to learn trading profit for real, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here, where myself, other TTG Pro trading mods, and special guests drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas, and commentary that can help you guys become better traders. So if you have not yet done so, make sure you smash that like button, show some love, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. You guys can't afford to ever miss these live streams. We're dropping golden nuggets on a regular basis. Have an incredible live stream in store for you guys here tonight. Earlier today, we actually sent out an invitation, members, non-members, for a chance to sign up to win up to $5,000 in prizes tonight. Yes, I'm giving away up to $5,000 in prizes. You guys have a chance at winning some of those prizes. Now, normally we would usually on Sundays, we would spin the wheel and we just, we would call out one person's name, but we're doing it differently. These last couple of streams, here's how it's going down. We're doing one giveaway for lifetime members of True Trading Group. We're doing one giveaway for annual members of True Trading Group. And then we're doing one giveaway for non-members of True Trading Group. So you've all got a shot. You've all got a shot at winning up to $5,000 in prizes. So it's going to be a fantastic stream. Not only am I giving away prizes, I'm also going to be talking top trade ideas for the week. What I'm expecting, you got some important data coming out this week. You have a ton of Fed members speaking. You got PCE inflation data coming out. You got consumer confidence numbers. The Beige Book is hitting this week. You have obviously more of the jobless claims numbers that we're paying attention to. There's a lot going on this week, folks. Last week was a slow week because of the Thanksgiving holiday. Not this week. This week, all things are back to full throttle, stepping on the gas, We're in 7th gear, and we're going to ride this streak that we find ourselves on here in True Trading Group. Before I get into all that, though, pay attention, because in a moment, I'm going to give you the first code word. There's going to be 2 code words issued during this live stream. You need to know both code words in case your name is called when I spin the wheel for the giveaways later. The code words will be the same for annual member, lifetime member, and non-member. So no matter what membership type you are or non-member, it'll be the same code words. All right. But you're going to need to know both code words in case your name is called. All right. So you'll have to send a text message if your name is called to a phone number we put on the screen. You'll have 2 minutes to do so. If you can text us within the 2-minute time frame and give us both of those code words, then you win the prize. All right. Before I get into that, though, first, before I forget, I want to thank our partners at Benzinga. Right. For those that don't know, Benzinga offers their own educational products and tools. Yet they still fully endorse the TG platform for the massive added value that it provides for their members and for their community. We're also grateful, obviously, for being named as a finalist for their FinTech Awards Best Data Analysis Tool. We're grateful also for Benzinga for the opportunity to further educate their community and to offer the Benzinga Pro newsfeed with congressional trading data and insider trading. We offer that to all members of True Trading Group when you guys join TTG. Just that alone would cost you over $1,000 a year if you went to Benzinga directly. It's included when you guys join True Trading Group's annual membership. So welcome all of you. If you're joining us from Benzinga, yes, folks, you were all in the right place. The first code word for tonight, get out a pen and paper. The first code word is Mr. 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 That is the first code word for tonight's giveaway. You're going to need to know both. That's the first one. The second one's coming later on in this live stream, but write this down to make sure that you guys have them, because if your name is called later, you're going to need to know both code words in order for you guys to win the prize. All right. Like I said, I'm giving away up to $5,000 in prizes later on in this live stream. All right. I also want to take a moment just to welcome all of our friends that are tuning in from the Stockmaster app. Welcome, 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 all of you. All my friends from the Stockmaster app, welcome. We're going over a lot here today. Not only am I giving away $5,000 in prizes, which is cool on its own, but we're also talking about how we're making some money this week. We've been on one hell of a hot streak in True Trading Group, and we're going to keep that streak going. We're going to keep riding that momentum with this ridiculous market rally that we've seen in the month of November. How much further can this rally go? And I'm going to give you guys my top trade ideas, exactly the stocks I'm focused on, the entry prices, the targets, everything, so you know exactly where my attention is going to be to start the week. You guys can take whatever you want with that information, do whatever you want with it. You want to follow me on it, cool. You want to watch it, great. But nonetheless, I'm giving you my top ideas. So welcome everyone joining us from the Stockmaster app. First code word is Mr. I'm going to start tonight's live stream off a little bit differently. For those that know me, you know there's 2 things that I will never say no to talking about, right? First thing's the stock market. Second thing is sports, especially baseball. Huge baseball fan. In case you guys can't tell, I got a baseball bat behind me. I got my Yankee hat. I got my autographed Babe Ruth baseball that Adam, my business partner, got me for my birthday one year. I'm a huge baseball fan. Played baseball my whole entire life. Tonight, I'm going to start us off talking about baseball, specifically number 44. Number 44 himself. And for my Yankee fans, you know who I'm referring to, and that is none other than Mr. Reggie Jackson. Now, for those of you that don't follow baseball, I know many of you are like, who the hell is Reggie Jackson? Bear with me, I'll explain. You see, not only was Reggie Jackson a Yankee, which obviously is my favorite team, greatest sport team ever to walk the earth, 27 world championships, 28th has been quite elusive, but he was also known for something very important. His entire career was built around coming through in the clutch. Right? That's what he was known for. When the chips were stacked against a team, they needed to pull out a win. You can always count on number 44 to deliver, especially in the playoffs, especially in the World Series. His ability to hit clutch home runs helped the Yankees win multiple World Series championships. Now, some of my members that I've known for a long time, I can already see them maybe thinking in their heads, they're kind of laughing a little bit, thinking that I'm about to compare myself to Reggie Jackson. I am not. You'd be wrong if you were thinking that that's the direction I was going with this. I am not comparing myself to Reggie Jackson. Now everybody's probably confused on where the hell I'm going with this. I'm not comparing myself to Reggie Jackson. I'm comparing True Trading Group as a whole to Reggie Jackson. Let me explain. Over the last 4 years, we've all been through a lot. Constant roller coaster, up and down in the markets, up and down of emotions. Everybody just kind of rolled with the punches. We all just rolled with it. There's been 10 million plus people that enter the stock market during that time frame. And why not? Right? During COVID, they were home. They didn't have anything else to do. Everyone ran to the stock market. We talked about this last week. The stock market is the great financial equalizer. When everybody's back was against the wall during the pandemic and you were told to stay home, you were furloughed. One of the first places that everybody ran to was the stock market. Because instinctively, you know that that's where the magic happens. So as I was saying, we've all been through a lot. A lot of people got a taste of what the stock market could be for them. Some people did well. Some people did well for a short period of time and then they blew themselves up. Some people just didn't do well at all. Some people quit, ended up going back to their 9-to-5s now that the world has kind of gone back to normal. But I know that and I'm not getting off topic. Follow me here. I'm going to tell you guys how Reggie Jackson relates to True Trading Group. I'm just kind of setting the stage. But now I know for a fact that those that got involved in the stock market during the pandemic and left have been saying, oh, when I get more time next year after the holidays, when I get more money, I know for a fact that you guys, if you were saying that to yourself, I know you've still got that itch. I know you still got that kind of what if in your head. How do I know this? Because I know this to be certain, not just my opinion, because True Trading Group has gained close to, if not at this point, maybe a little bit over 1,000 members that had their memberships expire. They went back to work full time. We've had over 1,000 people who let their memberships expire come back to True Trading Group to implement this into their now busy lives. Are their lives busy or are their lives really just back to normal? Within the last 90 days, we've had 1,000 people that used to be members during COVID come back in the last 90 days. Let that sink in. We have over 10,000 members in True Trading Group in 115 different countries. We've gone from an idea, a concept, to an established business, to an award-nominated business. As I said, we were a Benzinga FinTech Award finalist for the best data analysis tool. Thank you very much. So knowing all of this, again, what does all this have to do with Reggie Jackson? The retail trader is like the Yankees. Together, they're strong. They have some good talent. But TTG is like Reggie Jackson. And when the chips are stacked against the retail trader, TTG is going to work its ass off as a whole to deliver home run after home run after home run so that you can achieve what you want to achieve, just like Reggie Jackson hit home run after home run after home run in the World Series so that the Yankees could achieve exactly what they wanted to achieve, and that was a World Series championship. So that you can reach your financial goals. Now, I could have picked Babe Ruth for this analogy. I could have picked anybody. I mean, honestly, there's a lot of Yankees that I could have talked about this, a lot of very famous ones, Joe DiMaggio, Mickey Mantle, Lou Gehrig, right? I could have taken my pick of all the Yankees that I want to choose. Why did I choose Reggie Jackson for that specifically? Well, it just so happens that Reggie Jackson's nickname was Mr. October. It was Mr. October because he always came through in the playoffs, in the World Series. And if you guys didn't know, in the fall, that's when baseball playoffs happen. That's when the World Series happens. And starting in this past October, True Trading Group collectively. So you guys have to understand real quick. This isn't about me. Yes, I'm the face you guys see on here, right? But there are 9 professional traders inside of True Trading Group. And when I say professional, I mean this is what these people do for a living. They don't do anything else. This is how they put food on the table. for their families. They are real professional traders and investors. They're not part-time traders. And no, we're not just for those that think, before I go any further, I'm not just talking about day trading. We do it all. We do swing trading, we do long-term investing, all of it. Stocks, options, futures, crypto, we do it all. We have the best and biggest one-stop shop for everything and anything that you're looking for, and we provide you a real chance at becoming successful. So this isn't about just me. Our website is not called watchmiketrade.com. It's True Trading Group. Emphasis on the group. And in True Trading Group, starting in October, last month, just like Reggie Jackson gets hot in October, we in True Trading Group got scorching hot. Scorching hot to the tune of 20 triple-digit gains in the month of October. Day trades and swing trades. 20 triple-digit gains in October. Traded, executed, alerted, capitalized on by members and mods inside of TTG. In fact, it would take, in order to have a month like that, it can't just be one person, right? You can't have 21 traders and have 20 triple-digit gains. It's everybody working together collectively. A pro trader mod hits on this thing, and then another pro trader mod hits on this alert. Another pro trader mod hits on this alert, and so on and so forth. And as a group, we dominate, giving our members the opportunity to capitalize on these within a style that works for them. Because most people, let's be honest, most people can't just sit there in front of their computer all day. They can't just sit in a chat room and stare at charts all day long and be glued to their computer screens. That's not realistic. And that's not what this True Trading Group, this platform, that's not what it was built for. So 20 was the biggest month that we had ever had. And yeah, I half jokingly 3 weeks ago, said that I want to beat that record in November. I want to come into November, I want to beat that. I want to beat 20. I knew it was going to be the Thanksgiving week. The Thanksgiving week is historically a slow week. Volume is really light in the markets. It closed on Thursday, half day Friday. Most people don't even trade Friday. It would have been great if we did beat that record. But if not, that's fine. If we aimed for 21 triple-digit gains and we landed on 10, that would also be amazing, right? Like, who wouldn't be okay with hitting 10 triple-digit gains in the course of a month? But that's not what happened. In November, now keep in mind, today is November 26th, so there's actually still 4 full trading days left. In the month of November, we have had 24 triple-digit gains this month. That brings us to a total of 44 triple-digit gains executed, traded, alerted, capitalized on inside of True Trading Group in the last 2 months. That's about as clutch as it gets. That is why I make the comparison to Reggie Jackson, who wore number 44. All of the mods have been operating at their highest level that I have seen. And I've worked with these people for a long time. The team is just clicking. The team is clicking. The mods are clicking. The mods are on fire. We're firing on all cylinders. You're into swing trading? Awesome. Glenny had a 350% gain, or so, the other day on an absolute tear swing trading. You're into day trading, options. Cool. Shy has been the resident rock star for the better part of the year. You're looking to day trade and swing trade lesser volatile options instead of the Teslas and the Netflix of the world. No problem. Uni has taken so much profit this month. It's actually started to become quite obnoxious. How much profit she has taken this month. And collectively, like I said, it's not just all about me. Collectively, as a group, as a team, we've maintained a win rate of just around 80% now, roughly the last 4 years. 44 triple-digit gains in the last 60 days starting in October. That is why I chose Reggie Jackson. That's why I'm making the comparison, and it's why you should associate it with us as well. There's no gimmicks or secrets at Your Trading Group. Just real trading, real investing. That's what does it. It also doesn't hurt that no matter what your style of trading is, that we have tools and resources for you at no additional cost, tools and resources that would cost you well over $5,000 a year, that you get access on our platform for free for just being a member. No matter what your style of trading, no matter what your interest, day trading, swing trading, long-term investing. We got the resources included in your membership to help you get to where you want to go. You combine that with university level education and a devoted hands-on approach from myself and the entire staff at True Trading Group. 30 people, 30 members of our team. This is a real business. This isn't some Discord group or some Telegram. This is a real business. And for anyone that's thinking, oh, well, it must be nice, 44 triple-digit gains. I would love to know how many of your members actually made money from that. Okay, fair question. You don't have to say it. I know that's what you're thinking. It's okay. I've done this before. Okay. But I want to show you something. Members of True Trading Group that are on this live stream, I know there are many of you. Do me a favor and type the number 1 in chat right now if you are making money and you are becoming a better trader because of True Trading Group. I want you to go ahead and type the number 1 inside chat right now if you're making money and becoming a better trader because of TTG. Go ahead and type the number 1 right now inside chat. Anyone that's not a member, pay attention to how many people you see. Type the number 1 on this side of the screen. These are going to be your peers. These are your friends, your family members, your coworkers. These aren't bots. These are real people telling you that they're actually making money, becoming better traders. They have all the same excuses that you have. They have all the same excuses that you have. All the reasons why you say you can't do this, they've had those exact same reasons. Yet here they are now today showing you that they're successful. Now, maybe that surprised you. Maybe you're a little surprised just at the sheer volume of people that are typing the number 1. Maybe you didn't expect that type of a response. In your head, you're looking maybe for like the next doubt. Surely that's going to be probably you say, well, all these people must not have full-time jobs, right? Because it's just not possible. How could you do it with a full-time job? Of course, you'll say that. And you should. You should question these things. It's important that you question these things. It's important you actually dig deep to find out what's real and what's actually realistic, what's probable. But again, if you thought that all those people don't have full-time jobs, you'd also be wrong. And that's okay. I'll show it to you. Members of True Trading Group, do me a favor. If you're making money while working a full-time job, type the number 1, but now tell me what you do for a living. If you don't mind, my Teach You fam, I'm making you guys work tonight. Type the number 1 and tell me what you do for a living if you're making money while working a full-time job. Just go ahead. Type the number 1. Tell me what you do for a living. The people that are on here that are not members, pay attention to the comments. Maybe you see someone that does the same thing that you do for a living. Teacher, HR, bolt mechanic, realtor, car sales, sales manager, construction, film producer. Yo, Bronx Tail, what's up, man? Mortgage banker, doctor, personal chef, tractor trailer, asbestos abatement, IT, fleet management, admin coordinator, school janitor, geologist, HVAC company, oil industry, entrepreneur, program manager, farmer, law school, bakery owner, locomotive engineer, truck driver, accounting, teacher, construction, landscape company owner. You guys get the point. We got a comment here from Ozan Faradi. What's up, brother? You've been such a joy to be a member inside of True Trading Group, man. A recent member. He says, my membership is 15 days old, and I was able to catch 4 triple-digit gains. Thank you, True Trading Group. Listen, I'm not saying this. This is a comment from Ozan Faradi, who's been a member for 15 days. What a time for you to become a member over the last 15 days, which just so happens to be the best month that we have had with 24 triple-digit gains in the month of November. Ozan has caught 4 of them, has only been a member for 15 days. This is what's real. This is what is out there. This is what's possible. Now, surely you must be thinking 3rd time's a charm, right? Surely we must be thinking, so Joe Larry says, ask who's lost money. Listen, I don't even need to ask who's lost money, because I know and everybody knows that losing is part of trading, right? Everybody knows that losing is part of trading. Everyone knows that you can lose money trading. I lose sometimes. I make red trades. I have red days. Everybody does. But what you're going to learn inside True Trading Group is you're going to learn the actual real way how to lose. Joe, you're going to learn the real way how to lose. Because there's a right way and a wrong way to lose money. A right way and a wrong way. Really good traders know the right way to lose money. You can actually still lose money in a trade and it still be a good trade. We lose small and win big. Exactly, Marlon. Exactly. Art says, I lost because I didn't listen to True Trading Group at first. Bruce says, I actually lost $15,000 before I joined True Trading Group, and they helped me make it all back. Too many people are taught to swing for the fences on every single trade. And I promise you, swinging for the fences might work once, might work twice, but over the long run, you're going to lose everything. You're going to lose everything. I promise you that. Any successful trader that is actually truly successful will tell you, okay? Anyone that actually knows anything about it will actually tell you that losing the right way and controlling your risk is far more important than you hitting winning trades. We'll teach you guys how to lose the right way. Last point that I want to make. Because surely you're thinking third time is probably the charm. You got to maybe think that, okay, well, if all these people are making money and they're making money while working a full-time job, then surely they had to have started with a ton of money in their account. Surely, right? There's no way you can do this with a full-time job with like a $200 account. It's just not possible, right? Okay, fair enough. Members of True Trading Group. Last question I'm going to ask you. Then we have a lot to get into tonight. We got to talk about top trade ideas. What are the stocks I'm focused on here coming into the week? We're also giving away up to $5,000 in prizes tonight, so we have a lot to discuss. So this is the last question I'm going to ask you guys. How many of you started when you joined TTG? How many of you started with less than $1,000 in your trading account? Tell me what you started with, and if you don't mind sharing, tell me where you are today. Again, what did you start with when you joined in your trading account? If it was less than $1,000, what did you start with? And then if you don't mind sharing, where are you now today? Read some of these comments, guys, for those of you that are not members. So again, what did you start with? Where are you now today? So here we go. $500, $500, $200, $850, $400, $650. Mark started with $2,000. He's now up to $40,000. Luke started with $2,000, is now at $8,500. GoFundMe Sarah started with $150. She's now at $1,400. Mark started with just a little over $400. Tom started with $500. I don't have to keep reading all these comments. You guys get the point. Before we go any further, I want to see on here who is not a member of True Trading Group, actually. Do me a favor. I'm asking a lot of questions from members. Quick question, very easy question for people that are not members of True Trading Group. If you are not a member of True Trading Group, type the letters TTG inside chat real quick. Just type the letters TTG if you're not a member. Type TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Let me see how many people we have in here that are not members. All right, let's see. Savvy, Film, Jay, Rob, Vishal, DB, Stars, Nick, Robert, Raphael, Flexify, Radio, Sean, Jack, Teams Gen, Sharuran, Hold Me, Brutta, Tony, Rob, Guy, Shav, Rob. All right, cool. Gina, how are you? Excellent. All right, so we have a lot of new faces that are joining us here today. Jimmy, what's up? So a lot of new people that are joining us here today. I want you guys to understand what you just witnessed. So You all just witnessed, everyone that's not a member, so like everyone that just typed TTG, what you guys just witnessed was real people with real jobs, with realistic starting amounts, tell you that they're making money, they're becoming better traders, that they're capitalizing on what is happening inside of True Trading Group. That's what we just saw. You just saw hundreds of real people tell you that they started with not a lot of money, they have demanding, busy jobs, and they're still able to do this, and they're still able to make money. Somebody told me the other day, they actually messaged me on Twitter, X, and they said the second that the holidays are over, like as soon as Christmas is over, I'm going to join in January. I'm going to get my bonus, and then I'm going to join in January. I'm going to finally join True Trading Group. Somebody messaged me that on Twitter. If you want to follow me on Twitter, you can. It's at MikeEdward_TTG, at MikeEdward_TTG. But I said to this person, I'm like, why? Why wait until then? Why wait a month and a half or 2 months? You know, they said the holidays are expensive. We want to buy gifts, etc. And I get that. I hear you. I really do. But if you could give yourself the gift, right? If you can give yourself the gift of a true chance to earn some additional income between now and the end of the year during a time when everyone inside True Trading was firing on all cylinders, would you not think that maybe that's the better choice? I don't know. It seems like the right choice to me, but the hell do I know? And if you think about it, really think about it, you'll most likely come to the conclusion and realize it's the right choice for you as well. Now listen, tonight, we're going to talk about some important stuff. We got 4 days left in the month. And if you know me and you know my team, we've never coasted through anything. We go all in all the time. It'd be real easy, honestly, at this point, for us to just kind of sit on the sidelines for the next 4 days, 24 triple-digit gains, and be like, hey, we're good. Maybe we'll try to match it in December, whatever. You know, but we're not going to push ourselves. Well, if you're not pushing yourself, you're not growing. So no, we are not going to coast. We are not going to settle for 24 and be content. My team and I are going to spend the next 4 trading days absolutely busting our ass to get in as many more triple-digit gains as we possibly can for our members between now and the end of the month. I want Christmas to come early. We're not taking our foot off the gas. We're actually slamming that thing down to the floor. And that starts tomorrow morning. Tonight, I'm going to give you guys my overall game plan, my market outlook. We're going to talk about some key things happening this week. And by the time that this is done, you'll have an understanding of what we're all going after starting tomorrow, 8:20 a.m. Eastern in the main TTG chat room. And if you cannot attend at that time, all good. Use the mobile app. It keeps you connected all the time, all the analysis, all the alerts, everything sent directly to you. Do you listen to podcasts during the day, or maybe you listen to music in the morning or podcasts in the morning? Well, guess what? Starting at 8:20 a.m. Eastern, now you listen to True Trading Group. You put your headphones on. Surely you guys can do that. Now, for those that are questioning, I'm not going to tell you how to take advantage of our Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. Okay? I'm going to tell you guys that here now. And I want you all to know this price point that I'm going to give you tonight for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, the price I'm going to give you is good until tomorrow night at midnight for Cyber Monday. However, for those that have never seen our live streams before, we go ahead and we give away free Windows laptops when you sign up to True Trading Group. And tonight, because of the holidays and supply, this is actually going to be the last night that we have those laptops for the while. So the price is good till tomorrow at midnight. But tonight, we've got free laptops. Hopefully, we'll get more in December. I don't know, but we won't have more between now and tomorrow midnight. So the price is good till tomorrow at midnight. And then after midnight tomorrow, the sale is over. But tonight is the only night that we're going to do the laptops. Now, a subscription to True Trading Group, guys, it's normally $2,212 for the year. Up front, you get access to the core of everything that we have right away. However, what we are doing for Black Friday and Cyber Mondays, we're giving you 53% off from right now till tomorrow at midnight, which brings that total all the way down to $1,024. That's $2.80 a day. It's $85.33 a month. We have 23 laptops. That's it. I assure you that by midnight tonight, those laptops are going to be sold out. But remember, the price, the 53% off, is good till tomorrow at midnight. But the laptops are only good for here tonight for the next 23 people. It comes with Microsoft 365. It's a Windows laptop. We ship anywhere in the world. We cover the shipping. We have members in 115 different countries. I assure you, no matter where you live, we'll get you the laptop as long as you live on planet Earth. And you're probably thinking, like, there's no way these people actually give out a free laptop. There's no possible way that they actually send a free laptop. And if you question that, as you should question things, but if you question that and you thought I was lying, you'd also be wrong once again. Members of True Trading Group, just type yes or no. Do we or do we not send out free laptops? Just yes or no. Members of TTG, just simple. Yes, no. Yes, no. Do we actually send out free laptops? Just go ahead. Members, type yes or no. For those of you that are not members, or maybe that are questioning or doubting, or maybe you're on the fence, just pay attention to the comments that you guys see come through on the chat. Don't let me answer your questions and your skepticism for you. Let real life members answer those questions for you. They're the best ones to take the advice from, not me. What I need you all to do right now, open a new web browser. Go to ttgoffer.com. The price says $22.12. You need to manually enter this coupon code, TTG121. Then click apply code. The price drops all the way down to $10.24, and then you're good to check out. And now for those that now maybe if you're almost there, but you're still a little scared, you're like, oh, what happens if I don't make any money? Is there a refund policy? Cool. The answer is yes. Have no worries. When you join True Trading Group, we actually offer you a double your money back guarantee. This is how it works. We believe so strongly in the platform that we have created and its ability to help you guys reach your goals that when you join True Trading Group, we offer you double your money back. This is how it works. When you join, go through our courses, pass the quizzes at the end of the courses, attend one of our free study group sessions. We do them every Thursday. Attend one. You don't have to do this all within 14 days or 30 days. You have the entire year to do this on your own time, at your own pace, on your own schedule. If after doing those things, you are unable to make enough winning trades that equal what you paid for your membership, so $1,024, if you can't do that at least one time during your membership, we will give you back $2,048. You can keep the free laptop. That's the deal. Double your money back. That's how we do it. Yes, it is real. It's right there on the checkout page in black and white. Go read it. Go read it. I can offer you double your money back because our refund rate at True Trading Group is less than 2.5%. If our refund rate was 15%, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. 78% of our members stay with True Trading Group. 78% have either gone on to become lifetime members of our community or they've renewed their annual membership. 78%. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,400 reviews. It's because of these numbers and these statistics that I could offer you double your money back. I don't think you need it, but it's there for peace of mind. All you need to do is go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121. Every single thing you see on that page right there, ttgoffer.com, every single thing you see on that page is included for the $1,024. There is no upsell, additional cost, or hidden fee for anything you see on that page. Every single item is included when you become an annual member of True Trading Group. You're going to get access to our entire curriculum. It is a simplified version, an expanded version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, crypto, trader psychology, swing trading. I mean, you name it, we've got it. You guys have access to it. You also get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trading to track trades by management, full book level 2, TradingView's premium charting software, a simulator to let you practice trading with fake money but real-time data so you can practice before you risk your hard-earned money. The Trade Ideas Scanner streams on our platform so you can be focused on the best stock store in the day. You get unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, all included. Analyst ratings on any stock you're interested in. A social sentiment scanner to tell you what's being talked about most on social media. A trading journal that tracks all your trading and breaks it down to the numbers and statistics so you can see what you're doing wrong. All of our AI trading assistants and our AI trading tools included. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans. The watch list from moderators every day, detailed stocks, entry, exit points, so you know where to focus your attention before the day starts. All of that for $1,024. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121. If you went to Benzinga for the newsfeed, congressional trading data, and insider trading, you're spending over $1,000 a year. With this offer right now, you get that plus everything I just said to you for $1,024. As long as you see that laptop up there, see that laptop icon up there in the checkout cart, as long as you see that laptop, you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address when you sign up. You're going to get a welcome email instead. The welcome email will have instructions how to claim your free laptop. Again, we cover the shipping. It is free. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 countries. I assure you, as long as you live on Earth, we will get you the free laptop. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code, price drops down to $1024. If you have any questions, concerns, issues signing up, send a text message to 1-888-306-8783. The phone number is at the bottom of the screen. 1-888-306-8783. Send a text message if you have any questions, any concerns, if you are having a hard time signing up for whatever the reason. Also, if you guys used to be a member, used to be a trial member, or you are currently a trial member, you actually have to text that number. You have to text that number so that we can whitelist your email address. Okay? So you guys can get this offer that we're giving you here now, which is the 53% off and the free laptop and the double your money back guarantee. Again, the price is good till tomorrow at midnight, but the laptops are good till tonight at midnight, only for the next 23 people. Yes, you get TradingView Premium. Yes, Vishal. Finding Greatness. No, we do not do Forex. Forex is the only thing actually that we do not do at True Trading Group. We do not do Forex in True Trading Group. Stocks, options, crypto, and then we also have a futures program. All right. All right, folks. So there we have it. All right. Let's head on over. Let's head on over to the charts. Futures are down a little bit. We're down almost 0.5% on the NASDAQ. Okay. We're down 0.25% on the S&P. So we're down 0.4 on NASDAQ, 0.25 on S&P. If you've been following my live streams for the last couple of days, my analysis in the overall market has not changed. I am expecting a pullback off of this level. I've talked about it ever since we got, ever since we had the big breakout day on Monday. Ever since then, these last 3 trading days, I've been talking about, I'm looking for pullbacks off of this level, but it was, Thanksgiving and then the half day Friday, and the markets have just kind of sat here and just kind of gone sideways for those 3 days. So we haven't gotten the pullback yet, but I think that pullback is coming. And we have now filled the gap completely. This was the gap fill from back there in August. Okay. That was when Fitch downgraded the US's credit rating on August 2nd. You got that gap down. That gap has now been filled. We got to welcome Benoy. Benoy, welcome to the TTG family. Benoy, newest member of the group, guys. Welcome, Benoy. 22 of those laptops now remain. Guys, so don't forget, when you join, you're not just getting 53% off, you're getting a brand new free Windows laptop. Use it to trade with, use it for work, give it to your kid for school, sell it on eBay, put the money back in your account. I don't care. Give it away as a holiday gift. I don't know. It's a brand new Windows laptop, Microsoft 365 included for the year. All right, it's yours. Only 22 of them left. You'll know you're getting one as long as you see it in your checkout cart. All right. So again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. And then if you have any questions or you're having trouble, text us 1-888-306-8783. Nice. Vishal says, I am going to sign up. Vishal, hurry up. Grab one of those laptops, brother. Grab one of those laptops. All right. All right. So back to the charts with regards to the SPY. So there's the gap, right? That gap was filled on Wednesday. Okay. That gap was filled on Wednesday. Now, what I'm expecting now going forward is now that gap is filled, I'm looking for a pullback. We got to welcome Michael. Michael. Something about the name. Michael, welcome. 21, guys. 21 left. Vikram, 20 left. 20 left. Everybody welcome Vikram. Michael, Vikram, Benoy, the newest members of the TTG family. We're down to 20 of these laptops, guys. We're down to 20. Remember, the price is good till tomorrow. So you have until tomorrow night at midnight to get the 53% off. But you only have till tonight if you want to get a free laptop with your membership. Okay. So there's 20 of them left. You guys can see, if you see that laptop icon in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. All right. All right. So back on over here to the chart. So now that that gap has been filled, I'm looking for pullbacks off of this level. I'm not listening to me. Guys, I'm not looking for a crash. Okay. I'm not looking for a crash. But I'm looking for a pullback and a reset. Nothing goes up in a straight line. Nothing goes down in a straight line. And the move that the market has made in the last couple of months, in my opinion, is one of the biggest, strongest short-term rallies that I honestly can remember seeing in my entire career. Obviously, you had these wicked bear market rallies during 2008 crash and during the COVID crash. You had some wicked rallies, but for the SPY to go double digits in 3 weeks is just absolutely insane. We got to welcome David. Guys, I'm telling you, these laptops are going quick now, and there's a lot of people on the checkout page. I would hurry up. I wouldn't wait for me to finish talking, because if you're going to join, you might as well get the free laptop with it. It's a great extra gift, and it's free. Yo, David, there's 19 left now, so there's 19 left. Everybody welcome David. Again, guys, be on the lookout for the welcome email after you join, because there's going to be instructions in there how to claim that free laptop. Wow, there's 60 people on the checkout page right now, guys. Hurry up. Listen, as long as you see one in the checkout cart and you've got to that next step, that's how you know that you're getting one. Once 19 more people complete their checkout, those laptops will be gone. So I would hurry up and just grab them. Adam, prove it. So some people, I don't want people calling me a liar. Can you pull up, Adam, do you have the checkout page on you? Can you pull up the checkout page and just show? Oh, wait, awesome. You're so quick. So quick. So quick. Like Jonathan Quick, the backup goalie for the New York Rangers. There you go. There it is. Look how many people are on the checkout page. See? Told you. Guys, hurry up. Right? Everybody loves free stuff. That's why I knew these were going to fly. It's Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Everyone's looking for a deal. It doesn't get much better than this. Brand new free laptop. 53% off and a double your money back guarantee. I honestly don't think that you need it, but it's there for peace of mind. And it's there to hold us accountable. All right. All right. So back to the charts. Guys, again, you have to manually enter that coupon code. When you go to the page, it's going to say 2212. You have to manually type in TTG121, then click apply code. Then it drops to 1024. All right. All right. Back to the charts. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for just a pullback, a tradable pullback. I'm not looking for a crash. I'm looking for a tradable pullback off of this resistance level. Where I'm looking for this pullback to take us is 451 and a half. 451 and a half is my first target. Eventually, I'd like to see us get back to 446. Okay, but 451 and a half is my first target. Then I have enough, more targets in between there, but eventually I want to see 446. And I think that's very, very possible. I think it's very doable over the next 2 weeks. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. And let's talk about individual stocks that are on my list. Now, if I am considering, right, if I'm thinking about the markets are pulling back, well, that means surely I must have stocks on my watch list that I'm looking to short. And if you thought that, indeed, you would be correct. One of them is NVIDIA. You see, I actually think NVIDIA has topped out. And I think NVIDIA it might roll over a little bit here. So you had the all-time high, right? That all-time high was tested before earnings. And when they came out with earnings, their earnings were actually great. They beat sales, they beat earnings per share, they beat guidance, they beat on everything. They raised their guidance. I mean, they literally beat all across the board. But the stock still was not able to break through the all-time high. That should trigger profit taking. What I'm looking for on NVIDIA is a pullback into the 460s, possibly the 450s, with a target of these two major moving averages, the 50-day and the 100-day moving average. Now that you've got a double top in place at the all-time high, and if you beat on earnings per share, you beat on sales, and you raise guidance, and that is still not enough to take this stock above 500 to break through all-time highs, then I have to assume, or I have to imagine, and I want to assume, you know what happens when you assume, but I have to imagine that triggers some profit taking. And if I think the overall market is going to have maybe a 1 or 2 day pullback, then what better place for me to look for downside than a stock that was double topping at its all-time high, that had a really positive catalyst, and that positive catalyst still was not enough to break the all-time high. So as long as there's no other piece of news around NVIDIA, if the markets pull back, I think NVIDIA pulls back. I think you see NVIDIA in the 460s, possibly even tomorrow. But by the middle of the week, I think you can see NVIDIA 450, 460, somewhere in that range, looking for a $15 to $20 pullback in NVIDIA. And let's get down and see if we can test those major moving averages and really solidify that double top. So that's one of the stocks that is on my watch list for this week. Another stock I'm focused on is Roku. I am going to attack Roku short, and if I lose money, I have no problem. I will do this trade 100 times more when I see it. Right now with Roku, you have an ascending wedge pattern, okay? Right here you see we have an ascending wedge. Now, for those of you that don't know, ascending wedges are actually bearish chart patterns, okay? We got to welcome Brian. Brian, welcome to the TTG family. Everybody welcome Brian. 18 laptops now remain. 18 laptops now remain. Everybody welcome Brian. Brian with a Y. Brian, welcome to the family. 18 laptops up, guys. Again, hurry the hell up. There's a ton of people on the checkout page. Everyone's probably frantically trying to get their credit cards out. TTGoffer.com. TTG121 coupon code. Click apply code. Price drops at 1024. All right. Now, Roku, ascending wedge. Ascending wedges are actually bearish patterns that when they break, they actually result in a pullback. And that is exactly what I'm looking for on Roku. But this is not just about the ascending wedge. You want to know what else it's about? It's about an absolute brick wall of a level right in front of $100. We got to welcome Anthony. Anthony just joined. 17 of these laptops now remain, guys. These are going quick. 17 left. Remember, if you have any questions, any concerns, anything you're unsure about, or if you're having a difficult time signing up, hurry up and text us 1-888-306-8783. This line I just drew across my screen for Roku, because it's not just about the ascending wedge. It's an ascending wedge into a massive level of resistance. Where do I see resistance? Well, let's go through it. Early September, resistance. Early August, resistance. But that's not all. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, my dear Lord. May, June, July, resistance, 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 resistance. And now here we are once again. What I am looking for from Roku, if Roku gets to $97 and gets into, I'll actually draw the candles for you. This is what I am looking for from Roku over the next couple of trading days. Okay. So I'm looking for a pullback on Roku off of that level. Eventually looking for Roku to settle back down around $88. I'm looking for a pullback back down to 88. My first target though, 92. 92 is a target on that pullback, and then 88 with final targets around 86. All right. So that is Roku. So NVIDIA, Roku. Next up, Datadog. Now, I'm going to preface this with saying, if I'm not mistaken, I believe Snowflake has earnings this week. I got to double check that. I think Snowflake has earnings this week. I have to double check that. But I'm not going to hold this position into Snowflake earnings because Patricia, just do yourself a favor. Pull up in a separate web browser, Patricia, not Patty, ttgoffer.com. Patricia, everything you see on that page is included. Manually use this coupon code, Patricia. It gives you 53% off. TTG121. TTG121. Tony H. Okay, said that you don't see a lot. Tony H. We have 17. Oh, he got it. Okay, Tony already got it. So are we welcoming Tony, Adam? Oh, that was Anthony. Okay. Oh, that was Anthony. Okay, so Tony, you already got it. Okay. Yeah, okay, so guys, thank you for helping me out. Yes, it looks like Wednesday earnings for Snowflake. So keep this in mind. Datadog will probably move in sympathy to Snowflake earnings. Okay, so you may not want to be, I'm not going to be in a Datadog position when Snowflake goes to earnings. This is going to be a trade I'm going to look for maybe Monday, Tuesday, and I'll be out of the position by the time Snowflake reports their earnings. Okay, guys, there are 66 people on the checkout page. I would hurry the hell up. There are 17 of those laptops remaining. Go grab one. But now, where am I getting this? Why am I looking for a short here on Datadog? Again, same thing. We're just red hot into a massive level of resistance. The 117 area. Look at that huge resistance there from July. But then as I pan this out, look at this level. Look at this level. Look at that resistance in May, June, July, and then look at this previous support level. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that level, guys, on Datadog. So support, 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 resistance, 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 resistance. And now we're pushing back up towards that level. So I am looking for any move up into the mid-teens. Okay. Brutta says, to all the TTG members, what's the next wisest step to take? Members, what do you think? Brutta is asking to all the TTG members, what's the next wisest step to take? Members, help him out. Members, help out Brutta. Help out Brutta. What do you think Brutta should do? I mean, listen, Brutta, the first thing you should do is obviously join True Trading Group. Now, I'm not just saying that obviously because obviously I want you to join True Trading Group, but you should join. That's step one. No more pressure. You have a whole year to do what you need to do on your own time. Go through the courses, right? On your own pace, on your own schedule, whenever you can. Come into chat when you can. Make sure you download the mobile app so you can receive all the push notifications so you know when the mods are getting in and out of their positions. But joining is step one. Joining is the next wisest thing that you should be doing. Take advantage of the Cyber Monday, Black Friday sale. I would say when you do join, go through the courses, paper trade first, make whatever mistakes you're going to make with fake money so we can make sure that those mistakes don't happen again. And then you can start following along with the moderators and with the members and the trades that are taking place inside of chat. You start to develop your own style, whether you're a day trader or a swing trader, whether you like trading stocks or you like trading options, whatever it is. Oh, Brutta is Brian who just joined. Oh, okay. 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 So Brutta, you just joined. So you are Brian who just joined. I'm sorry. First thing that I would do, Brutta, is go take the TTG 101 course. The TTG 101 course is the first thing you should do because it actually familiarizes you with the entire True Trading Group platform, how to use all of the features, where everything can be found on your dashboard, and how to use it to how to get the most out of your membership. So the very first thing that I would do, Bretta, and this goes for anyone that just joined, is go through the TTG 101 course first. Then start with the beginner courses, etc. Okay? So TTG 101 course. All right. So, guys, basically, Datadog looking for a push up above 115, 116-ish, 117, looking to get short, looking for a pullback, and just to shy away from what is a massive level of resistance. I'm not going to be short going into Snowflake earnings. I want to make sure that we clarify that. Now, those are 3 long setups. I also have a couple of, those are 3 short setups. I actually have a couple of long setups. One of them is a firm. And what you'll notice is my next 4 stocks I'm going to talk to you about are all kind of the same idea, just different charts and different stocks and different volatility types and price points. But it centers around a Black Friday, Cyber Monday spending spree by the consumer. It's Affirm, Target, Walmart, Costco. Okay. So all 4 of these stocks, I'm going to say, because I don't like to come into a week and just say, hey, I have all shorts or I have all longs. I like to have variety. I like to have some short and long ideas. Now for the longs, I'm looking at a really nice bull flag on Affirm. I'm looking at a really nice bull flag here on Affirm. And if Affirm can clear $27, it has room to $29. Okay. We got to welcome Justin, Michelle, Robert, and Sandy, which means we are now down to 13. We are now down to 13 of those laptops. Justin, Michelle, Robert, and Sandy. We are now down to just 13 laptops, guys. TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. All right. Why do I look? Okay, 27, right? There's 27. You see this strong double top. See that strong double top right there at 27? That's why I'm saying if you get over 27, then we could look for that break. And then that break could take you right to a gap entry. Gap entry is 29. You had this gap down in August. Gap entry is 29. And then if you actually get through 29, gap fill is actually all the way up at 31. I'm not looking for a 31 gap fill. That's a long ways away for a stock like Affirm. But I do think 29 is in the cards. Wait for the break of 27. If we break 27, then we look for the long up to 29. And you want to hold on to a piece. Maybe we get to 31. Who knows? But I'm looking for 29. Bill, welcome to the family. Everybody welcome Bill. That means we're now down to just 12. 12 of these laptops, guys. Remember, the price is good till tomorrow. The laptops are good till tonight. 12 left. Then I'm just going to show you the charts on these, but they're all similar. Like Target, just in a little bit of a flag. I'm seeing if Target can get up to like 135. Walmart is holding major support level. Major support level down here at 154. We got to welcome Daphne. Daphne's the newest member of the group. Everybody welcome Daphne. That means we're now down to just 11 of these laptops, guys. So these are really starting to go. 11 of them left. If you have any questions, text us 1-888-306-8783. Here's your support level for Walmart, right? 154. There it is, right? Previous resistance, support, support, support. 200-day moving average, that's this yellow line on my screen. If Walmart does well with, over the weekend and Black Friday, I think you can see a little bit of a bounce back and a little bit of a recovery there on Walmart. If I'm not mistaken, I actually do believe that one of our moderators is actually already long Walmart and has already taken about a 30 to 40% gain on profit on the call option that was entered on Wednesday and took profits on Friday. And I believe the Wolf is still in that position. I could be mistaken, but I believe he is still in that position. And some members have already ripped profits off on that trade. Costco is another one. I love Costco, like in real life, also the stock. But double top all-time high up there at 610. And this chart pattern, in my opinion, this chart pattern has new all-time high written all over it. Okay. So I just want to keep riding this momentum is really it. And if you have a strong, listen, these ideas are affirmed. Target, Walmart, Costco are all predicated on a good Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales push. Okay. If you get consumer spending numbers that come in like super light, then these stocks probably all move to the downside. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking at any of these stocks long, these kind of like these retail consumer spending related names like Affirm, the buy now, pay later, Target, Walmart, Costco, if you look for these to give you those moves, you want to make sure that the consumer spending is there. All right. So keep those in the back pocket. And then last but not least, we got Snowflake. And I'm just going to keep an eye on Snowflake because they have earnings this week. And the level I'm looking at on Snowflake, two levels. One is 172.5, 173, and the other is the low 190s. Now, the low 190s is an absolute brick wall. If this stock gets anywhere near that because of earnings, I think it's a sell. It's a huge level of resistance. But if you can clear 173, I think that's a breakout. If you clear 173, I think 173 could be a breakout. But then remember, Wednesday earnings, I probably don't trade Snowflake until Thursday. But it is on my watch list after what happens with earnings. I'll be live with you guys to cover that when that does take place, and we can go over and analyze that together. But Snowflake is on my watch list, but I'm telling you, I'm probably going to trade it after its earnings. There's some major levels that I see on the chart that I think we can structure some trades around. All right. And that wraps it up for the top trade ideas, which means it's time for that second code word. Second code word for tonight's giveaways is October. October. So the first code word was Mr. The second code word is October. Mr. October. That is your code word. We got to welcome Dana. Dana just joined. Everybody welcome Dana. Dana, welcome to the family. 10 of those laptops now remain. Everybody welcome Dana. Anybody have any questions for me before we get into our giveaway? So remember, guys, the giveaway code words are Mr. October. You're going to need to know both code words if your name is called. Does anybody have any questions for me before we move on to the giveaway? Now is the time to ask. Do you do A? I don't know what that means, Tommy. Do you think LRCX will stay above 700 or go down with the market? I actually think it's going to go underneath. I think it's going to go underneath. I think it's going to go.
Tommy, he does. He does do that, Tommy.
I think you're going to go back underneath 700. I see a big resistance level here. You do have a little bit of a cup and handle forming. You know, you could call this a cup and handle. Cup, there's your handle. But you got a huge resistance level here. I don't know if this thing is going to break out. I mean, this is actually a pretty tough one. Yeah, we do AI. Do you do AI? We actually have AI trading assistants and AI trading tools that you get with your membership when you guys join True Trading Group. So we have fully integrated AI into the TTG platform. A lot of different things. You can have our AI system can help you guys identify support and resistance levels, can help you identify chart patterns, can give you trading strategies. All right. So that's all included when you join. All right. So there's your resistance level, guys, up there, all-time highs, very clean, 725, 730. But I think you get, if the markets pull back, I think you get a little bit of a pullback back under 700, but I don't think by much. Like even if you pull back under 700, maybe you settle in the 690s. Oh, KK90, good question. On a short at resistance, do you wait for a pullback off the area or do you sell into strength? Depends on my conviction level on the trade. If it's a high conviction trade and it's a A+ quality setup, I short into the strength. So when I short into the strength, I'm getting the best possible fill. Because let's say if you say resistance is at 100. And if I said I want to short the stock at 100, then when it gets to 99.75, I'm going to get short. Versus someone that says it gets to 100, then it drops to 98. And then they go, I'm going to get short now at 98. Well, you're short at 98. I'm short at 99.75. So if we're right and the stock goes to, let's say, 94, I'm going to make a lot more money than the person that gets in at 98. The closer that I can get filled on my order, the closer I can get filled to my stop loss. So if I said stop loss 101, I want to be short at 100. Well, if I get short at 99.75 and my stop loss is 101, I can have a much bigger position size than if I got short at 98 with a stop loss at 101. That's how you get bigger risk reward, better risk reward on your trades. And that's how you end up making a lot more money on trades that you're right than you end up losing when you're wrong. It's something that a lot of inexperienced traders struggle with because they have very low confidence. So they can't short into a green candle. I have no problem shorting into a green candle because I trust my analysis. The stock's then going to go down. But a lot of other traders wait for a red candle to then get short. It's a matter of preference. I do sometimes wait for the pullback, but it really depends on the quality of the setup and my conviction level on the trade. So I do both, but to get into that detail is another conversation for another time. We got to welcome Jonathan. Jonathan, welcome. Jonathan, welcome. 9, guys. We're now under 10. These things start to fly once we get under 10. Everybody welcome Jonathan. There are just 9 of those laptops remaining. Go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. You have any questions, text us, 1-888-306-8783. You guys, we ready for the giveaway? All right, we are good to go. What are we doing first, Joe? Lifetime. Lifetime members, you guys are up first. So it is giveaway time. Oh, we got to first welcome Laura. Laura, welcome to the family. 8 of those laptops now remain. Everybody welcome Laura. 8 of those laptops now remain. So guys, the code words, Mr. October. Here's the deal. We're going to spin the wheel. If your name is called, you will have 2 minutes to send a text message to the phone number that we put on the screen. You must give us both code words within the 2-minute time frame. If you do not, we spin the wheel again. The first giveaway is for lifetime members. Tony goes, guys, Tony just joined. And Tony goes, I'm already getting help. Really cool. Thank you, everyone. It is our absolute pleasure, Tony. When we say welcome to the family, when you join True Trading Group, brother, we mean it. You're not just a number or a username. So already getting help. I love it. All right. So lifetime members, you guys are up first. Then we'll do annual members. Then we'll do non-members. Aditi, welcome to the TG family. Aditi, 7 laptops now remain. 7. I would hurry up, guys. Remember, the laptops are only good for the next 7 people, but the price is good till tomorrow. All right. Lifetime members, your giveaway is a free bonus skip the line one-on-one with any moderator of your choosing. We have to welcome Jocelyn. Jocelyn, 6 left. Everybody welcome Jocelyn. 6 laptops remain. And Coom. 5 laptops now remain. 5 laptops now remain. Coom, welcome to the TTG family. 5 remain. Guys, go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Text us if you guys have any questions. 1-888-306-8783. All right. Lifetime members, you're going to win a bonus one-on-one mentor session with any moderator of your choice, and it is a skip the line 101. So let's say if the moderator that you want to do it with, right? If the moderator you want to do it with is booked for the next 2 months, doesn't matter. You're doing a one-on-one with them this week. All right. So, Joe, let's go ahead and spin that wheel. Good luck, guys. And the winner is Robert Alvarado. Robert Alvarado. Robert Alvarado, the clock starts now. You have 2 minutes to send us a text message, Robert. You must give us both code words. I hope you wrote them down. I hope you're on this live stream. I hope your phone has service. Text us, Robert, 786-292-1606. 786-292-1606. TaylorMade says, how much for a lifetime membership? Brother, I'm sorry. We no longer sell the lifetime memberships. We are not selling lifetime memberships at this time. Robert Alvarado, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds to send a text message to 786-292-1606. 786-292-1606. Robert Alvarado, please do not make me spin this wheel again. It is 10 o'clock in the evening. Do not make me spin this wheel again. You have 1 minute. You have 1 minute, Robert. You have 1 minute. Come on, Robert. You know, I felt good when I saw Robert's name because I know who this person is. Oh, I felt good, Robert. You have 40 seconds left. Daniel, welcome. While we wait for Robert. Daniel, welcome. Damn, Daniel, 4 laptops now remain.
Did you just make a meme reference?
Yeah, I did. You're welcome. I did that for you. 4 laptops left, guys. TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Well, there's 4 laptops left, but you know what? There's not time left for Robert. Spin that wheel again, Joe. Shannon Sullivan. Shannon Sullivan, you have 2 minutes to send a text message to 786-292-1606. The clock starts now. Shannon, be better than Robert. Be better than Robert. Please be better than Robert. If Shannon doesn't get this, we're moving on to annual member giveaway. We've got 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds for Shannon to send a text message to the phone number on the bottom of the screen. if they can give us both code words. One minute left, Shannon. "45 seconds, Shannon." "30 seconds, Shannon." "15 seconds." All right, Joe. Get the annual members ready. Annual members, for you, we are going to be giving away a free year, an entire year of STR, totally free. Now, if you're not a member, you have no idea what STR is, don't worry about it. Annual members, you sure as hell know it. You get a free year of STR with this giveaway. So, Joe, let's go ahead and spin that wheel. Hopefully, we got people that are better than Robert and Shannon. Christopher Heimberg. Christopher Heimberg, the clock starts now. You have 2 minutes to send a text message to 786-292-1606. Ooh, Rhino, I like that. I like that rule. Yeah, this is just a reoccurring problem. It's every single time. 20 seconds have passed. Christopher Heimberg. Christopher Heimberg, you got to send a text. Give us both code words. STR for free for a year is yours. Please, Christopher. You know, I'm in a given mood. I'm trying my hardest. Trying to give away cool stuff. One minute. 1 minute. 1 minute left for Christopher. Who's playing right now? The Ravens? Ravens and Chargers. Ravens should win that game. What's the score? 30 seconds. Yeah, right, Michelle. I like that idea too. I like Rhino's idea. 20 seconds. This is insane. Joe, get ready to spin the wheel again. 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Spin it, Joe. Jeffrey shoots and scores. Jeffrey, you have 2 minutes. Jeffrey, you have 2 minutes to send a text message.
Grant, this is not a scam. Grant, this is not a scam. You are texting with me right now. Thank
Grant, this is real life. This is not a scam, Grant. Oh, Jeffrey doesn't qualify, Joe? Jeffrey doesn't qualify? Great. Non-members. We just can't give away nothing, huh? All right. Jeffrey doesn't qualify. Non-member giveaway. Listen up. If you are not a member of True Trading Group, you are not a member, this giveaway is for you. On this live stream, you have a chance to join True Trading Group for $1,024. However, if your name is called for this next giveaway, you can join for only $500. So we are going to spin that wheel. Now listen carefully. If you are someone that just joined tonight, right? If you guys already joined, we had a lot of people join True Trading Group tonight. If you're one of those people that joined and you already paid 1024, if your name is called, we will credit you back the difference. Okay, we're going to refund you back the difference. So we will give you back $524 if you already joined tonight and your name is called. Okay, so we will refund you the difference if your name is called. This is for non-members. Instead of paying $1024, if your name is called, you will only pay $500. Let's go ahead and spin that wheel. Good luck. David Gallagher. David Gallagher. You have 2 minutes, David, to send a text message to 786-292-1606. I don't know why. I don't have high hopes. Prove me wrong, David. Be better than Christopher. Be better than Jeffrey. Be better than Shannon. Be better than Robert. David Gallagher, you can do it. 1 minute and 30 seconds. For David Gallagher to text 786-292-1606. I'm almost at the point where I don't even care if you know the code words or not. Just text us, David. You do need to know the code words. Just kidding. Minute and 10 seconds you have, David. And a membership that True Trading Group is yours. Full access. Non-restricted. Complete annual membership access for just $500. Less than a minute. The clock is ticking, David. Can we go goose egg for the night? Can we do a goose egg? Can we go 0 for 6 on giveaways? Can we do it? There's 30 seconds left, and then we're 0 for 5. We'll see if we can go 0 for 6. 15. 10 seconds, David. This is absolutely insane. Joe, go ahead and spin that wheel. All right. Who's it going to be? Roberta Ferguson. I don't have hopes. I'm not looking forward to this, Roberta. I'm not going to get my hopes up just so you can let me down. You can crush my hopes and dreams. You know, I was in a great mood today. You're going to send me to bed upset. Don't make us go 0 for 6, Roberta. The whole TTG community is counting on you. Roberta, the whole group is counting on you. Please do not make us go 0 for 6. 35 seconds have passed. Roberta Ferguson. One minute. Come on, Roberta. 1 minute, Roberta. Roberta, the phone number is at the bottom of your screen. It's 786-292-1606. You have 35 seconds. I have to get a glass of scotch after this. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. All right. Goose egg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. 0 for 6. Great job, everyone. Well, I just want to say thank you for everyone that's actually here. For those of you that are not here, thanks for nothing. But what we'll do now, for those of you that are still interested in a membership, don't forget the laptops are good only for the next, what are we down to, guys? 3, 4? What are we down to, guys? 4 left. We have 4 laptops left. So here's the deal. If you're not interested in a membership at all, you guys can sign off the live stream. I'm done with the analysis stuff. We're done with the giveaways. What I'll do is I'll actually show you what the platform looks like. So for those of you that are interested in joining, you can actually see what you're going to get access to. Because you get access to, obviously, our chat room where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades in real time. We're answering questions, providing commentary. We're sending out, obviously, all of our trade alerts. You got the mobile app. The mobile app you can download. You can receive the real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit their positions. That's our chat room right there that you guys are seeing. We're with you for the whole day. We're not gone after an hour, and you'll have to fend for yourself. You also get 2 private study group sessions with our mods to speed up your learning curve. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data, insider trading, all included, Trading View's premium charting software, Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform to so that you guys can focus on the hottest stocks during the day. A simulator lets you practice trading with fake money but real-time data. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create custom scans. Our own proprietary scanner lets you create those, like I said, custom scans. Dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, all included. A trading journal tracks your trades for you. A social sentiment scanner tells you what's talked about on social media. Then you get analyst ratings on any company that you're interested in. Watch list every day from the mods and I with detailed entry and exit points. The courses, simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. Beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it. We've got it. You guys have access to all of it. Then you've got a video library that has 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics. You can start attending these workshops live when you guys become full-time members. Now, I can't guarantee you're going to be successful just by joining True Trading Group, but what I can guarantee is if you join, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group, and are unable to make enough winning trades to equal what you pay for your membership, $1,024. You can't do that at least one time. We'll give you back $2,048. That's the deal. It's right there on our checkout page, ttgoffer.com. Go read it. You must manually enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code, price drops at 1024. See the laptop, you're getting one. There's only 4 left. As long as you see one, you're getting one. Hear me again. As long as you see one, you're getting one. There's 4 left. Send a text message if you guys have any questions or concerns. 1-888-306-8783. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. My TT fam, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Let's keep the streak going. Have a great night, guys.